Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business. Welcome to this Small Business Update. The early stage innovation companies legislation has been passed by the Federal Parliament, and operations for those companies can commence from the 1st of July 2016. This is great news for small, medium enterprises, entrepreneurs, inventors, if you are trying to raise capital. Crowdfunding, which is part of the overall innovation package that the government had introduced, unfortunately has been delayed in the Senate, and hopefully that legislation will be passed in the next few months. The early stage innovation company legislation has got tremendous benefits for companies who are trying to raise capital, and primarily directed at companies who are wanting to commercialise new products, processes, services, marketing or organisational methods. There's also benefits for investors. There's a tax offset of 20% up to a maximum of $200,000 in 1 year, and there is a exemption for capital gains tax available for investors. Early stage innovation companies will be companies that have been incorporated in the last 3 years, that have total expenditure in the previous year of less than $1 million, have assessable income in the previous year of less than $200,000, not including any grants received under the Accelerating Commercialisation grant program, and the company must not be listed on a stock exchange anywhere in the world. If you satisfy those preliminary tests, you then need to pass one of two further tests. The first one is called the gateway test, the second is the principles test. In the gateway test, the company can earn points from participation in activities such as research and development, having received an Accelerating Commercialisation grant, having been part of an accelerator program, having already received $50,000 in investment from arm's length investors, having patents or other types of intellectual property already registered either in Australia or overseas, and perhaps having agreements with research and development organisations to co-develop the commercialisation of your products, processes or services. So if you get 100 points collectively from those areas, you are eligible as an early stage innovation company. The principles test means that the company has to positively answer 5 separate questions that are all connected with commercialising a product, process, service, marketing or organisational method. Now this whole process is based on self-assessment, or you can retain an independent consultant who will undertake due diligence reviews of your company's operations to issue you a report that supports the director's belief that the company is an eligible early stage innovation company. And you're going to need that type of certificate to attract investors who are going to want some assurance that your company actually will be treated as being an early stage innovation company. Otherwise, they won't get their tax offset or be eligible for the exemption from capital gains tax. But this is exciting stuff for those of you who are trying to raise capital in previous years and have been unable to do so. We have produced a range of products within ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS Small Business to help professional advisors be able to service your requirements on this new legislation. So why not visit one of the accountants who are listed on our Accountants Advisors database on ESS Small Business by going to www.esssmallbusiness.com.au, click on the Accountants Advisors logo, and then you can obtain by just inserting your own postcode. That's all you've got to do, and you will be able to identify accountants and advisors in your area who have indicated that they are keen to supply these types of business advisory services for small, medium enterprises. We're going to present a special webinar on the early stage innovation companies as it affects small, medium enterprises, entrepreneurs, inventors on Wednesday the 6th of July, commencing at 4 p.m. If you would like to attend, can you please go to our website www.esssmallbusiness.com to register. Good luck if you're wanting to go down this path of raising investment capital. This is going to be a great opportunity for small, medium enterprises to really commercialise your products. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.